Hello YouTube fans, and today we have a factory remote disassembled, and this is for a Hyundai Sonata. And the problem we were having was, let me get this out of the way, the factory horn kept going off, and so I ended up cleaning this guy. It had some weird residue which would make contact with this guy. This says, oh look, even says panic right on it. Lock, unlock, and trunk. Hence these three. Now the problem was, factory horn was going off randomly. And so, I took it upon myself to take it all apart, clean this guy, clean the contacts with a Q-tip and some rubbing alcohol. Cleaned her up, no battery in, just to make sure. Cleaned her up. And now, after a new fresh battery, the factory horn has stopped going off intermittently because it was doing this. Oh, let's see if I have the right battery. Oh, this is the dead battery. Let's get the good battery in here. Yep, that's gonna be right. With people on it. Just people throwing away mailboxes. That's the battery we have. Get this guy off. One-hander. Alright, so this is what the problem was. Let's put the brand new one in. So I'm only assuming it was dead enough. This was dead enough to trigger this guy because this was gunked up with some oil-ish stuff. So this is what was going on. You hear it? You hear it? That's what it was doing. I'm holding this and shut it off. So with a brand new battery and some cleaning of the contacts, and there you have it. It just completely stopped. It was doing this constantly. You hear it? It's my neighbor. Shut her off. Shut up. Put her back. Let's put her back. Can we do it? One-hander. There you go. So he was complaining about the factory remote not working, which was probably just a dead enough battery to trigger it. And so we will put her back. Come on. So, like it, don't like it, share it, don't share it, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.